This is Scott Meg, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing marketing. Marketing that damn book. The book that has been just eager to get out. Number one, we're going to talk about marketing your book as far as going local. I think that doing local would be a good start. I think that when you do local, you can pretty much go on newspaper. Some local towns have penny savers. You can do Craigslist. Anything that everyone likes to read, where they get a lot of people that pretty much interact in that form of social media. You have penny saver, Craigslist, and you have local newspaper, and you also have local radio stations. I think they're good marketing, and it's that would be a good place to start off slow, working your way up to the big league. I did a podcast for Resilience of a Black Woman. I did a podcast, and after I did that podcast, I actually had debut in 3 of some top magazines, and it was fun. I had to go do a photo shoot, and it was fun. It was real fun. I enjoyed that, and it was that was to get my name out there, me being a new author and everything. And I did that podcast because during the pandemic, it was pretty much hindering me from doing book signing. So I tried to get out there and do other things, trying to get my name out there, do marketing, and podcast is one of them. And before I did podcast, I decided to do a business page on Facebook, and I had an ad run, and I thought that would be a good place for me to start out. It is a good place for you to start out, but and it's a low, it's however you want to set it. You can set it for $5 a day, $10 a day. You can set it up for $1 a day, or you can set it for $25 a week, or whatever the case may be. And I did that, and I think that I would love to run another ad in Facebook again. So I'm pretty regular on my Facebook business page. I try to be regular. At first, I was more regular on Instagram. No, let me back it up. I was more regular on Twitter. But Twitter, you have a lot of authors on Twitter that pretty much have it sold up to where you have people on Twitter that pretty much would watch them before they watch you. So I dealt with Twitter for a while. It's pretty fun. I did get a few friends out of Twitter. It's pretty fun. And after Twitter, I went to Instagram, and I'm learning. My sister was showing me, how to do hashtags, because when I first started on Twitter, I wasn't doing the hashtags until one person on Twitter said that in order for you to get noticed, you have to do hashtags. Hashtags? What are hashtags? Damn it, Vicky, did you just say that? Hashtags. Okay. So then I had to realize every time I post on Twitter, I had to do hashtags. Now, sometimes I would forget to do the hashtags. So I had to go back on my posting and do the hashtags. So that was a learning process. So I pretty much stayed on Twitter until I pretty much learned how to do the hashtag things. Then I went from Twitter to Instagram, and I think Instagram was more fun than Twitter. I'm getting pretty adapted to Instagram. I like Instagram more than Twitter. Instagram have more ads. They run more ads than Twitter does. So I've been on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On Instagram, I be on there more than Twitter, but I think my Facebook page and my Instagram runs neck to neck. So now I'm trying other marketings. So every time I do something new, I always try to put that on my Facebook page. And my Facebook page is actually linked up to my regular Facebook page. So whatever I post on my business Facebook is also seen on my regular personal Facebook, which is okay because you can pretty much get more people that way. With marketing, I think that I want to try my local radio next. Try to get my local university here. They have a radio station here, and I think that I would do very well on that. I will keep you all posted on that. And also, I'm looking forward to my book trailers. That's good marketing as well. Do book trailers. Post that on your Facebook. Post it on your Instagram. Post it on your Twitter. And it's a new social media that I heard of. It's called Twitch. Now that's pretty new to me. I still haven't worked out the kinks on Twitch. I will put that link below Twitch. And also you can do marketing as far as flyers. That's old school. Do flyers. You know, you can see how much it'd be to do billboards. Matter of fact, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a billboard. See how much it is to run a billboard. There are a lot of ways that you can do your marketing. You really don't need your publisher to do your marketing, especially when you do self-publishing, because with self-publishing, that's more money that they want in order for them to do marketing for you. That's more money. I decided to do marketing on my own. The reason why I decided to do marketing on my own, marketing on my own is the fact that so I can see where my money is going at. How much is the billboard? How much is for a video talk? Podcast is not free unless they want you. But if you want to go there, you have to pay for podcasts. And they also might have deals when you want to do podcasting. For me, when I did the podcasting, that podcasting cost me $150. But when I did the podcasting, I also aired on 3 magazines online. I think that when you do an article online, I think that would be a good way to do marketing, because that is on there for decades, you know, versus a billboard, versus a radio talk, versus a podcast. You know, by you being online, that would always be there. You could just look it up. So there are a lot of ways that you can do marketing for your book. Now, with marketing, you can also do trailers. Trailers are here to stay. Book trailers are here to stay. Now, once you have your book trailer made, you can post it on your YouTube channel. Not just that, you know, you can have a website and post your book trailer on your website. You know, so there are a lot of social medias, money marketing. Why can't you say money marketing? There are other ways you can do your marketing for your book. Marketing, not money marketing, but marketing. So take the time out to look carefully to see how you want to do your marketing for your book. Take your time. You know, I'm pretty sure you know that you would come up with a good idea, and there are a lot of ways that you can get your idea out there, as far as getting your book out there, as far as getting your name out there. And billboard don't sound too bad. Maybe I might do that. So that's all I have for today as far as marketing. If you like this channel, please subscribe and please give me thumbs up, because I need them thumbs up. Thumbs. Get a thumbs up. And please take care and God bless.